Hi everybody. First of all, thank you so much for checking into my course. I am Vignesh and I will be the instructor for you throughout this course. Before starting the course, let's understand what we have in this course. See, coming to this course, we are going to discuss something called as synchronization and deadlock. Synchronization and deadlock. It is one of the most difficult topics in computer science. Also, it is very interesting. Generally, interviewers also prefer this topic. See, we have already seen a topic named as memory management in part 2. Similarly, synchronization and deadlock, they are two different topics, and they are also equally important compared to memory management. But one thing I can tell you is, it is the most difficult topic in the entire operating systems course. Also, it is one of the most difficult topics in computer science area. But coming to this course, I made it as simpler as possible by taking a lot of examples and also going as slower as possible. So this course is a perfect continuation of what we have seen in part 2 course, right? It is a perfect continuation of part 2 course, and I'm sure that you will enjoy this course in case if you have completed part 2 course. Now one question you might ask is, can I continue, should I have covered both part 1 and part 2 in order to start with this course? The answer is, if you have covered operating systems part 1 course, you are good to start with this course. You don't need to cover part 2 course. You will still be able to understand everything. But my suggestion is, complete both part 1 and part 2 and then come back to part 3. That way it will be even more fun, right? It will be even more fun. But one thing is for sure, if you have covered part 1 course, you will be able to understand this course very well. There will not be any problem. Now one question you might ask is, can I start with this course directly without seeing both part 1 and part 2, because you need to learn synchronization and deadlock? See, the answer is, it really depends on the student. For some students, you can start with part 3 course directly. For example, if you are aware of the basics, for example, if you know what is meant by CPU, what are the various levels of memory, how a process is created, how it is moved from one level of memory to another, what are the various types of scheduling algorithms, how one scheduling algorithm is better than the other and why it is better than the other, right? If you are aware with all these topics, then I'm sure that you can start with this course directly and you will be able to understand everything. Now what will be covered in this course? Synchronization and deadlock, these two topics are covered completely in this course. I'm not going to leave any topic. I'm going to cover everything in this course. Now who will get benefited from this course? If you are a computer science student and you are having operating systems in your bachelor's degree, then I'm sure that this course will be very helpful for you. The second most important people is interview people, which means students who are preparing for interview. For you, this course is going to be really helpful, because understanding this topic of synchronization deadlock is not really easy. It really needs understanding of lot of concepts. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make this course as simpler as possible so that everybody can understand. See, more than 1500 students has enrolled for this operating systems course as of now, and still we are counting, and most of them are very happy with the course. More than 95% of the students are finding the course very helpful, and also they are encouraging me to make more courses on computer science. So the chances of you finding the course helpful is very high. So please give it a try. I'm sure that you will not be disappointed. Fine. And one more point I want to discuss. While watching the course, in case if you face any issues or doubts, you can always feel free to drop me a message. I will be happy to help you out at any time. See, I'm an instructor who generally responds to students' doubts as early as possible. So you can ask me for any doubts. I will reply to you as early as possible. Fine. That's it from my side. I'm sure that you will find the course helpful. Come and join me. You will have a great learning experience. Thank you.